Hello friends, today we will discuss about one of the most popular development of Google in the field of artificial intelligence called Google Bard. First, we will see what is Google Bard. Google Bard is a large model chatbot developed by Google AI recently. Right now it is in the beta version, but very soon full-fledged version will be released as claimed by Google. In fact, Google Bard is a smart AI which has answers to every possible question, and really it is going to be the boon of our tomorrow's technology. It is based on the Pathways language model too. It can also generate text, translate languages, summarize artwrite for different kinds of creative content, and answer your question in the best possible way. Now we will talk about the key features of Google Bard. It's very productive AI. It can communicate and generate human-like text in response to a wide range of prompts and questions. It can access and process information from the real world through Google search. It can also learn new things and improve over the time as per the requirement. Now let us talk about the SWOT analysis, that is strength, weakness, opportunities and threats related to the Google Bard. First we will discuss about the strength. It's a versatile AI with powerful and very informative LLM chatbot. This AI has some weaknesses also. Sometimes it can be inaccurate, biased and misleading also. Anyhow, it will provide many more opportunities and new ways to interact with the information. Of course, there are some challenges also like job displacement or economic inequality, but these threats can be managed over the time with its strength and opportunities. Now we will see what exactly Google Bard can do. Firstly, we can use it to generate different creative text formats like poems, coding, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letters, and many more things. It can answer your questions in an informative way, even if the questions are open-ended or challenging or strange. Then also it will answer in the best possible way with the information available with the Google. Google Bard is a very useful tool to translate one language to another, and it can write different kinds of creative contents also. Now we will discuss the problems associated with Google Bard and their solutions. In fact, Google Bard may generate the text that is similar to the text it has been trained on, but this can make it difficult to distinguish between original and copied content. So sometimes it's very tough for the user to trust on the real content. In case of large and complex questions, Google Bard may face difficulties to understand the question properly, and it may not be able to answer questions which are too open-ended. The situation can be frustrating for the users who are trying to get specific information. Dear friends, as we know, every problem has a solution in the universe. So here also there must be some solution to the difficulties occurred with this tool. And that is, we can educate users about the potential risk of using Google Bard through social media, seminars, workshops and other information systems. It's very useful for the users to know about the potential risk of using Google Bard. By giving the right information at the right time, the user cannot be trapped in with such problems. One more thing Google can do is that it can create a system for reporting and removing harmful content that is generated by Google Bard. And this system may allow users to report harmful content easily and quickly. Now, I'll tell you some of the important points about Google Bard. Firstly, it's a very powerful tool and works as per the requirement of the current era. And Google Bard has the potential to be the powerful tool for good for a future generation, and it can be used to improve our productivity, creativity and understanding the future requirement. The system is very intelligent, having a large language model that is trained on a massive dataset of text and codes. This allows it to generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content and answer your questions in an informative way. Next, we will talk about the characteristic of Google Bard. The first point is that it has a large language model, it reports harmful or offensive content and it protects our privacy also. It is powered by language model for language applications, but Google Bard is still under process and run in beta version. I hope very soon Google will be able to launch full-fledged version. Anyhow, it has a very high level potential to be powerful, but can be used for good or bad, depends upon us how we are using the application. Now I would like to mention a famous quote on Google Bard by Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google. He said that we believe that AI has the potential to be a powerful tool for good, but it's important to use it responsibility. Google Bard is still under development, but we are excited about the potential it has to help people to be more productive, creative, and informed. He further said that artificial intelligence is much needed technology for the future development. Now, to summarize the things, Google Bard is a large language model that is trained on a massive data set of text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. It's still under development and sometimes it can provide inaccurate or misleading information also. It's important to be aware of its potential and we need to cross check the information with other sources. Dear friends, I hope you like this information and in next video we'll discuss in depth about the Google Bard. Thank you very much.